Hi my dear traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad to see you once again in today's new video. So today I'm going to be trading using the Alligator indicator. So this indicator is quite useful. It will help to show me further price movement on the market, and also it will help to show me good entry points on the market, and I'll be able to make very good profit today, and hopefully I'm able to hit my goal by the end of this video. So stay tuned and watch out for this. And also I'm inviting you to join my private chat in Telegram channel. So in this private chat you can ask all your questions concerning binary trade, and I'll reply to them as quickly as possible. Also, I post their news about binary trading, and also I post my trading signals there. So if you'd like to join, go under this video. There is a link. That link is a link to my personal chat. Run with the code word money team, and I'll add you to this private chat, and you can join there and ask all your questions. You can interact with the other members of the group, and you can also use my trading signals to make very good profit. And also don't forget to support this channel, and the way to do that is by giving this video a like. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe down below to this channel. So let me get started. So in order to connect the indicator, you need to click this button in the lower left corner, then select the Alligator indicator from the list. I'll leave all the settings by default, but only make the thickness of the moving averages a bit thicker so they are much more visible. So here on the chart you can see that this is our indicator, and it consists of 3 moving averages, 1 green and 2 red, and the indicator signal is, for example, a moment when the green moving average begins to cross the second moving average from bottom to top, and after that the moving averages move parallel to each other and diverge further from each other. This means that the price will move up in the near future, and so in this situation you can open an up trade. And also another example is when the green moving average crosses from top to bottom our second red moving average, and after that they move parallel to each other and diverge further from each other. This means that in the near future the price will move down, and of course in this situation you can open a down trade. But this indicator also has false signals. For example, when the price moves in the trading zone, and at such moments multiple crossings of the moving averages may occur, but it's not necessary to open trades at such moments because the price is moving in the trading zone, so there is no definite direction of the price movement here, and the moving averages move parallel to each other and diverge further from each other, and the further they diverge from each other the more confident the movement is. Also another example is when the price moves in a confident unidirectional movement. The moving averages move parallel to each other and diverge further from each other, and further they diverge, the more confident the movement is. These are moments we can notice on uptrends and downtrends, but of course do not forget that this indicator can give you errors most of the times, so you have to carry out technical analysis mostly. Look at the uptrends, look at the downtrends, look at how prices are approaching the different levels on the market, the support level, the resistance level, and also the other patterns on the market before using the indicator signals to open a trade. So let me find my first entry point for today. So here in this situation, as you can see, we have a certain level of support down, and you can see that the price pushed off from this zone and is moving up. So here I'm going to immediately open an up trade for 1 minute, because I can see that the green moving average crossed both the red moving averages from bottom to top, and after that you can see that they continue to move parallel to each other and diverge further from each other. So this is a signal to open a trade for a rise, because it means that the price will continue moving up in the near future. And just at this moment you can see that green candlesticks are forming, so I'm hoping that in the near future I'll make very good profit from this trade. So let me wait and see the results. So this is awesome. As you can see, the price continued to move up, and I made very good profit from this trade. The indicator really gave us a very good entry point and helps us to determine the further price movement in this trade. So this was a very good situation. So let me find my next entry point. So here we can see that there was a good and confident uptrend, and from a certain point the price turned around and is moving down. You can see that the red candlesticks are forming here, and at the same time we can also see that there was an intersection of moving averages here. So just at the moment you can see that the green moving average has already crossed the red moving average and is approaching the second red moving average. This means that the second moving average will also cross in the near future. So here I'm going to open a trade for 1 minute for a fall because I can see that the green moving average moved beyond our second moving average. Thus the indicator tells us that the price will continue to move down in the near future, and I'm hoping that I'll make very good profit on this downward movement. So let me wait and see how the situation works out. So this is awesome. As you can see, this price continued to move down and I made awesome profit. So let me go on and find my next entry point. So here you can see that there is a resistance level at the top. You see that the price pushed off from this level and moved down. You can see that now there has been a reversal and green candlesticks are forming. You can see at the same time there was an intersection of the moving average. So the indicator tells us here that the price will move up in the near future. So here I'm going to open a trade for a rise for 3 minutes. You can see that it's quite possible that the price will continue to move directly towards the resistance level, and this 3 minutes is with reserve taking into account the trading. So let me wait and see the results. So this is awesome. As you can see, the price continued to move up and I made very good profit from this trade. So this level was broken through, and as you can see, the indicator really gave me a very good entry point and helped to determine further price movement. So let me go on. So here you can see there was a very good and confident uptrend. Also after touching the resistance level, there was a pullback down, and now you can see that the price turned around and is approaching our level again. At the same time, you can see that there is still room to the resistance level. You can see that there was also an intersection of moving averages here, and they continue to move parallel to each other and diverge further from each other. So here I'm going to open a trade for 2 minutes for a rise, because it's likely that the price will continue to move directly towards the resistance level, and also you can see that the overall price potential is going up. So I'll try and make very good profit on this upward movement. So let me wait and see how the situation works itself out. So this trade is great. As you can see, the price continued to move towards the level and I made very good profit here. You can see that these cases work out quite well and I was able to make very good profit. So let me go on. So I've decided to open the next trade in the same currency pair after a while. You can see that the price pulled back from the level and is moving down here. You can see that there is a current intersection of the moving averages. So in this case, I'm going to open a trade for 1 minute for a fall, because I can see that the price is steadily moving down and I think we still have time to make money on this downward movement because this indicator confirms our entry point. So let me wait and see the results. So this was excellent. As you can see, the price continued to move down and I made very good profit from this trade. The indicator turned out to be right again and I was able to find a good entry point. So let me go on and find the next situation. So here we have the resistance level from above, and you can see that after the pullback, the price has turned around and is approaching our level. So in such a case, I'm going to immediately open a trade for a rise, because at the same time you can see that the indicator confirms our entry point. You can see the intersection of moving averages here and the overall potential is going up. You can see that the main price lows are getting higher and it's likely that the price will continue to move towards the resistance level. It's also quite possible that this level might be broken through in the near future, but let me wait and see the results of this trade and hopefully it will be good. So this is awesome. As you can see, the price continued to move towards the level and I made very good profit from this trade. You can see that also after the touching the level, there was a pullback down, but I still managed to make very good profit here despite all this. So let me go on and find the next entry point. So here you can see the resistance level from above, and at the moment you can see that the price turned around and is approaching our level. Also at the same time, you can see that the main price lows have become higher. The overall price potential is going up. So at the moment, you can see that there is a certain level compression here. Also at the same time, I can see the intersection of the moving averages that just occurred. So in this case, I'm going to be opening a trade for 1 minute for a rise, because I think that this level will be broken through in the near future, and perhaps we'll get into the most impulsive upward movement of the price, into the very breakdown of the level. And just at the moment, you can see that there was indeed an upward impulse, and I'm hoping that 1 minute will be enough for this trade. So as you can see, this level was broken through. You can see here I got a very good confident plus, and I was able to make very good profit here. So 1 minute was enough time for this. This indicator really gave me a very good entry point. You can see that now my balance is $3,600, and I want to find my last situation for the day. Let me find something interesting for you. So here we have the resistance level at the top here, and you can see that there was a pullback down from the level, and after the pullback, the price turned around and is approaching our level. You can see that at the same time, there is an intersection of the moving averages that just occurred. This means that in the near future, the price will move up. So here I'm going to open a trade for 3 minutes for a raise with a reserve, because I think that the price has good potential to increase, and the main price lows are getting higher here, as you can see, and it's likely that the price will continue to move directly towards the resistance level, and I think I'll make very good profit on this upward movement. But let me wait and see the results of this trade. So this is quite interesting. As you can see, after a slight fading and a small trading, the upward movement continued despite this, and there was a very good and confident impulsive green candlestick that broke through the resistance level. You can see that here I got a very good and confident plus. 3 minutes was enough time for this trade, and now you can see that my deposit is $6,000 and more, and I would like to stop here for today. So that was awesome. As you saw, I made very good profit today. So these indicator signals were quite useful in my trades, but as you saw, I didn't only rely on them. I mainly relied on technical analysis before using the indicator signals in order to avoid getting errors in my trades, because most times some of these indicators give you errors, and the only way to be able to avoid that is by relying mostly on technical analysis, which I did in my video. If you'd like to learn more about technical analysis, check out my previous videos on my channel, and you'll be able to learn more about it and practice it in your own time. If you have any questions concerning today's trades, I'm ready and willing to answer all your questions. So there is a link under this video. That link is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team, and I'll add you to this private chat. You can join and ask all your questions, use my trading signals to make very good profit, and also interact with the other members of the group. Or you can find me in Telegram using this username. And also don't forget to support this channel, and the only way to do that is by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe down below to this channel and hit that notification bell to be notified when there's a new video up. So thanks so much for watching, and good luck in your trades. Until next time, bye bye.